If your CNC machine equipment isn't operating, you're not making any money. For every hour spent moving chip conveyors, shoveling out machine sumps, and cleaning coolant ports, you're losing hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars. The lost revenue can stack up faster than a pile of scrap metal shavings. The main culprits are small chips and fine particles piling up in the machine sump, contaminating the coolant and plugging coolant ports. Oberlin's new OLIMIN8R easily connects to your CNC machine and will help keep it operating at its maximum income-generating efficiency. Here's how the OLIMIN8R works. Large particles collect on the conveyor and are carried to the hopper. Small-scale particles trapped in the coolant will flow through the conveyor and collect in the sump. If not removed from the coolant, over time, these small particles will become a big problem. At best, the fine particles will work their way back into circulation, into the coolant ports, shutting down the machine until the ports can be cleaned. At worst, they'll collect in the sump to the point where production needs to be completely stopped, and the chip conveyor and sump will need to be cleaned, slowly, by hand. The Oberlin OLIMIN8R is a fully automatic pressure filter with a small footprint that's easy to install and operate. It attacks the problem from the rear, or the sides, whatever works best with your machine and your workstation. It collects the dirty coolant upstream, removes the fine particles, and turns them into a harmless, dry cake that can be easily discarded. The clean coolant is returned downstream near the clean pumps. No more filter bags to change or magnetic separators to clean. No more overflowing of the sump or pump cavitation caused by chip buildup. This automatic process requires minimal operator intervention and uses inexpensive filter paper. The OLIMIN8R is extremely efficient. Unlike some other filtering technologies, the OLIMIN8R will remove all types of particles: non-magnetic, magnetic, small, and floating. If you're machining metal, carbon fiber, ceramic, and/or plastic, Oberlin's OLIMIN8R is the only filter for the job. The OLIMIN8R provides increased production time, prolonged tool life, and coolant that doesn't have to be replaced as often. The most efficient and profitable way to machine is brought to you by Oberlin's OLIMIN8R.